big fellas. So one of my favorite styles to dress up in is also one of the more comfortable styles to dress up in, and is more casual and day-to-day wear. That's right. On this video, I'm going to be talking about athleisure, and it's not just throwing on sweats and t-shirts and walking out of the house. There's actually rules and structures to this thing if done right. So I'm going to give you those rules and structures in this video. So let's go. So what's up, big fellas? I thank you guys once again for tuning in to another episode on my channel. And if you like the content and the information, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell notification icon so that you're notified any and every time I drop some new heat. Also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now let's jump into the content. Now you may ask, what exactly is athleisure? Is it just super casual clothing? Or is it something that I would wear to the gym but I'm wearing out to run errands in, go shopping, etc.? Well, it can be both of those things. Athleisure is athletic wear that can be worn casually, but is a more upscale and functional version of our favorite athletic clothes. Now when it comes to male athleisure, there's about 8 hot items right now that'll put you at the top of the athleisure list when you're stepping outside the crib. Now remember, this is all my opinion and it's all based on how it fits us, the big and tall man. So I'm gonna give you these 8 things, these 8 items, and let's see what you guys think about what I come up with. So for the first item on my list, I'm going with the track pants / track suits. Now I did a video for track pants for us big and tall guys, and I'll put that card right up here. But we don't have to just stop at the pants. The entire track suits are really in right now, whether you want to rock a Nike suit or an Adidas suit, or if you got the money, maybe you want to spend $800 on a Givenchy tracksuit. But the tracksuit really embodies the more upscale and the more functional version of our favorite athletic clothes. Number 2 is going to be the sweat shorts. Now when it comes to the sweat shorts, you don't really have to go out and buy them. Just take a pair of your old sweats, cut them right at the knee, and the raw edge that's left at the bottom of the shorts is really what's going to give these shorts the character and the style they need to be a proper athleisure staple. Number 3 is an item that quite frankly will probably never go out of style, especially for men, and that's the hoodie. Whether you want a full zip, a half zip, or a pullover hoodie, these will always work. You can get multiple colors and styles, but if I were you, I would stay away from crazy prints because that will go out of style. So I'm helping you guys invest in your wardrobe for something that you can wear years down the line instead of just for a season. So make smart decisions when buying your hoodies. Number 4 is going to be the tights. This is not an item that you just wear singularly. This item is solely for layering. You wear these under your shorts to give a nice layering look. Whether you want them to go all the way down to the ankle or a 3/4 cut, it's all up to you. But layering does exist in athleisure, and one of my favorite layering pieces in athleisure is the tights. Number 5, NBA fans. This is your moment because you get to rock your favorite team's shorts. And the more authentic, the better. I have a video that I did on Mitchell & Ness shorts, which I'll put right up here in the YouTube card. I told you about how they fit, how they feel, and you get to see for yourself how they actually look on a big and tall person. The only thing is, those shorts can run you for about $150. So I would wait till Mitchell & Ness has a sale so that you can get some money off of those. Number 6 is going to be the graphic tee. Now with the graphic tee, you know, you can rock your favorite teams, your favorite bands, old TV shows, movies, characters, whatever it is that you want. But the best graphic tees are the ones that have the vintage look to them. You know, the ones that look almost faded like you bought it in the 80s. In my opinion, those are the kind of tees to go after. And those are the kind of tees that will allow you to express yourself and what you like beyond a plain white or black or gray tee. Number 7, sneakerheads. This is your moment. And with athleisure, it doesn't really matter what kind of sneakers you like. If you like high-end dad sneakers, if you like Jordans, if you like running sneakers, they will all go well with the athleisure look. And when it comes to sneakers, I can't say that for every style that we're going to talk about on this channel. But for athleisure, whatever your heart desires when it comes to sneakers, you can rock. And last but not least, number 8 is going to be the cross bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I wore a cross bag, a cross fanny pack when I had my Laker shorts on, because my Laker shorts didn't have any pockets. So obviously when you're going to wear those NBA shorts or something like those, you're going to need some kind of storage. And that's when the cross bag comes in. But the benefit of the cross bag is that if you decide to buy one, it's not only going to go with your athleisure outfits, but in 2019, the cross bag is on my list for one of the more popular items that a person can have in their wardrobe. Now, when it comes to these bags, you're going to have to go in the store and try one on. You're gonna have to loosen it up because we're big guys. A lot of those bags just won't fit us. But I have a bag here from Hex that I got this past summer from Finish Line. I went in there and some of the bags just wouldn't fit me, but this one had a nice design and the straps open enough to the point to where it fit around my chest comfortably. Now I'm a 52 in the suit, so if you're anywhere in that range, then a bag like that will fit you nicely. So the last thing, big fellas, when it comes to athleisure, it is an excuse to dress down, but it is not an excuse to be sloppy. Make sure that the clothes fit properly, and also make sure that the clothes are neat and ironed and clean. Because let's be real, most of the world thinks that we're fat, lazy, and dirty and all have bad hygiene. We don't need to feed into that stereotype any more than what people think. Wash your clothes, iron your clothes, and even when you're dressing down, take pride in the way you look. You can be neat and still be comfortable. Those aren't oxymorons. Those two can happen simultaneously. So that's all I got for you today, big fellas. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching again. And remember, just because we big, don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.